What to do if you ever forgot your Facebook password? Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is to view your Facebook password if you ever saved it. Now to do that, open up your Google or Gmail application. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now tap on Google account. Now scroll to the right and tap on security. Again scroll down until you find Google Password Manager. Now under Password Manager, simply tap on Manage Passwords. Now, now find Facebook. Simply tap on Facebook. Now enter your lock screen password. Now if you don't find the password here, simply go back to the home screen. Now open up Facebook. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Settings. Now tap on Account Center. Now tap on Password and Security. Now tap on Change Password. Now select your Facebook account. Now tap on Forgotten your password. You can also forget your password from the login page. Now choose any of your email or SMS from login code. Now tap on Continue. Now enter the code and tap on Continue to reset your password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.